hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome killer belly fat, love handles, muffin top workout. You're going to love it, so let's get right into it. First up, we're going to start with a nice warm up. All right, get our bodies ready. 5 big breaths. Inhale as your arms come up. Look up, reach, extend. And exhale, arms come down. Very good. And 2. 3. Don't be afraid to make noise with your breath. Fill those lungs. 4. 5. Last one. Make it good. And release. Very good. Next, we have some good mornings. All right. They're called good mornings for a reason. Great for warming up. We're going to open up. All right. Little back bend. Open up that chest. All right. And then you're going to reach down through your legs. All right. And then repeating in a nice fluid motion. All right. If you can't reach through your legs, no worries. Go ahead and reach in front of you for your knees. All right. Your thighs, whatever feels comfortable, whatever you're able to do. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you come down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And center. Very good. Next is a torso twist. I love these. All right. Bottom body, bottom part stays still. And you're just going to twist your upper body, isolating your torso. All right. Look forward. Bend your knees a little bit. Stabilize yourself so you can keep that bottom part nice and still. This is great for warming up. It also works your core, your back. Very good. Chin up. Nice engaged core. All right. Even though we're just twisting, you want to make sure everything is nice and engaged. Straight spine. And 3, 2, 1. Center and release. That is our warm up. Moving on to our workout, we are going to start with wide side reaches. 30 seconds on the clock. Wide stance. Hands are in 90-degree angles. All right, we're going to reach one overhead and then the other. All right, in continuous motion. Making sure that you keep a nice straight spine. All right, so we're not opened up like this. All right, boom. Lock it in. Close that rib cage. Super important for spine health. All right, and there's control. Come back to those 90 degrees. Very good. Here. Bend. Back. Bend. And then back. Very good. You should feel a nice stretch here while your other side is a crunch. And 3, 2, 1. And center. Very good. Arms out to the side for inside foot taps. All right. Opposite hand to opposite foot. Make sure you come back to a nice straight position. All right. So a little crunch here and then straight. And we're not curving. So we're not going down to meet our foot. We're using our core muscles to bring our foot up to us. All right. And if you can't reach your foot, no worries. Go ahead and tap your calf or your knee. All right. Just make sure you keep a nice upright posture. That's what's going to help engage your core by using your stomach and your abs to bring your foot up. All right. Very good. Take your time. All right. Faster doesn't always mean better. All right. Proper posture is what's really going to do the trick here. And 3, 2, 1. And shake it out. Very good. Next, we have some side punches. Love these. All right. Side punches. But we're not just boom, 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 kind of just swinging our arms side to side. I want you to engage your entire body. Twist. All right. Use that core muscle to pack that punch. And then the other side. You're using your entire body here. All right. Very good. Breathing. Nice strong arms. Look, nice strong arms. Nice tight core. That's helping me move side to side. All right. Very good. And 3, 2, really twist. And 1, center. Very good. Next, we have a cross crunch to kick crunch. These are killer. All right, we're gonna do one side first. Hands behind your head or around your head. All right, cross crunch, and then straighten that arm and leg, kick crunch. All right, cross, kick. Very good. Cross, kick. Breathing, taking your time. If this is not for you today, then go ahead and just do one or the other. So either a little cross crunch, or you can just do that kick. All right. If not, challenge yourself. Add both of them. And 3, 2, 1. Center and other side. Elbow to knee, hand to foot. Very good. Coming always back to that standing position. All right, so we're not cheating ourselves by kind of like going to the next motion before you come up. All right, so here, up straight, kick, up straight. Very good. Make sure you're not pulling on your neck. All right, your hand is right there, but we're not pulling down, okay? Chin up. And breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and release. There we have it. Set 1 done. Going right into set 2. Big breath. Starting with our wide side reach, wide feet, arms 90-degree angles. Let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1, arms out, inside foot taps. Let's go. Posture is up, chin is up. Very good. Use those core muscles to bring your legs up. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and fighting position. Side punches. Let's go. Really twist your body. Twist, twist. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Cross crunch, 2 kick crunch, one side. Let's go. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Very good. You got this. And 3, 2, 1. Straighten. Other side. And 3, 2, 1, and center, celebrate. 2, done and dusted. 1 more to go. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, arms out, inside foot taps. Let's go. Posture is up, chin is up. Very good. Use those core muscles to bring your legs up. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and fighting position. Side punches. Let's go. Really twist your body. Twist, twist. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Cross crunch, 2 kick crunch, one side. Let's go. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Very good. You got this. And 3, 2, 1. Straighten. Other side. And 3, 2, 1. Very good, my beautiful people. 3 sets done. Now for a nice, relaxing, important cool down. Starting with 5 big breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it a good one. Very good. Our heart rate's starting to come down. We're restoring our body. We're gonna do some hip circles next. All right, 30 seconds one way. You're gonna push it all the way to the side, your hips all the way to the side, and then all the way back. Other side, and then forward, making a nice big circle. Really taking your time here, enjoying the stretch. Each way you should be feeling a little different stretch here. You'll feel it here in your hips, maybe your thighs, all right? Back here, a nice little stretch in your lower back, all right? Your hamstrings, and then a little back bend when you come forward. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and other way. Even here, make sure you have a nice tucked in tummy, right? Really engaging that core so you can move efficiently. And 3, 2, 1, and coming up straight. Very good. We're gonna end it with the around the world stretch. All right, I love this one. Gonna go ahead, start arms up. You're gonna come down to the side, go all the way down towards your feet, coming up to the other side, and then repeating the other way. All right. If you can't go all the way down, or that doesn't make you feel comfortable, or vertigo or something, then just come down a little bit. All right. So coming here, then just reach forward, all right, instead of reaching down, and then coming up. All right. Very good. Last one. In 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, my beautiful people. A warm-up, 3 sets of a workout, and a nice relaxing cool down. I hope you loved it. I hope you're feeling it like I am. Let me know in the comments below which move was your favorite so I can use it in more videos. And where are you tuning in from? All right, I'd love to see all the people all around the world, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.